Welcome to the NACE International Institute New Certification Application video. This video will provide instructions on the process for the submission of a new certification application. Please note that as a forewarning, Microsoft Internet Explorer is not compatible with the functions shown in this video at this time. Please use an alternative browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. To begin applying for a NACE certification, please log in to your profile on nace.org. Once you've logged in, please select Profile from your options in the upper right-hand selection menu. Once on your profile, select My Certification Portal. This will take you to the certification portal where all items regarding certification can be maintained. To begin, please select Browse Credentials. This will take you to the Credential Catalog where you may select from the available list of credentials offered by NACE International. If you wish to browse the Credential Catalog, you may use the Next and Previous buttons to find items that may apply to your various interests or areas of expertise. However, if you have a specific certification in mind, you may also perform a search in the available credentials search bar for the item. Please enter major keywords in order to search for them. For instance, items in the Coding Inspector category, also known as CIP, will be marked using the term Coding Inspector. Alternatively, items in the CP category will use cathodic protection. You will see here that a variety of items are now available specifically within the Coding Inspector profile. Please scroll and select any items that apply to your particular area of expertise or interest. Once you have selected an item that appeals to your area of expertise or interest, please select it by clicking Save to My Home. This will transfer the item to your home page, where you'll be able to review the requirements to be awarded this certification. Using the Requirements page, you will see that there are a variety of items that are necessary to be awarded a certification. You must have an application, the possible completion of a course or other education requirements, and the completion of one or more exams. Additional forms of information or additional work experience will also be listed in the Requirements page. If you need to study for an exam or find additional resources for the purposes of taking either the computer-based exam, the ethics requirements, or more information about the programs, we do offer the links within this section. If you do not want to take this particular certification or are no longer interested, you may click the X button to remove it from your home page. To begin this certification application, please click the Start Application button. In the case of Coding Inspector Level 1, you will be prompted to complete the Code of Conduct. Please read through this item, and once you have understood these items in total, enter your initials here for finalization and review. You'll be prompted to submit the application for review. Please click Submit. Once you have submitted the application, you'll be provided information showing that you have submitted the application as per the highlighted button, and you will see that the first check mark for a CIP Level 1 application has been highlighted. This checklist will update as you complete courses, exams, and other requirements. Some certifications may have different or more strict requirements for their award. As you can see, some items will require different types of applications and different types of exams in order to be awarded. For instance, the CP2 Cathodic Protection Technician certification will require that you do complete all the items noted here. And within the application, you'll be requested to fulfill one or more requirements in the areas of work experience and education. All listed requirements are in each of these separate boxes, indicating that each item is its own certification path. For instance, the primary path for a cathodic protection technician requires a bachelor's degree in physical sciences or engineering, 1 year of verifiable cathodic protection work experience, and successful completion of CP1 requirements as a strong recommendation beforehand. Other alternative paths are also noted, such as having 3 years of verifiable cathodic protection work experience, or having 2 years of verifiable cathodic protection work experience plus 2 additional years of post-high school training from an approved math or science technical and trade school. You will be prompted to select an option. You may choose path 1, 2, or 3 based on the requirements listed. If you choose the primary path, please be sure that you will be able to fulfill each of the separate requirements therein. To enter information, click the Add button. That will prompt you to enter the information required, such as the name of your school, dates of attendance, the degree you earned, the specific discipline the degree was in, and when you received it. Please note you'll be tasked to provide proof of this degree in the form of a file. A photograph is fine, provided that the photograph is clear and not blurry, and uploaded to a computer for download onto the system. Please confirm the type of degree, and then add your work experience. Click Add to include various work experience and other employers from within the most recent 5 years. You will need to meet or exceed the work experience requirement in terms of number of years in order to be awarded a certification. Please ensure that you enter all items marked with a star, as these are mandatory. Once you have entered the items as required for your employer, you may continue. If you have multiple employers, you can continue clicking Add to include more employers for your reference. Qualification references are individuals who will be able to verify that you meet the requirements for this award. Please enter their name and their email and click Send to issue these emails to these individuals. You will have to wait for the references to respond and confirm that they have received the email and filled out the survey before submitting your application. Please note that presently the survey is not confirmed compatible with Microsoft Internet Explorer. You will have to use a browser other than Microsoft Internet Explorer. This also applies to your qualification references. Please ask that they use an alternative browser. Once you have completed this function, please review the Code of Conduct in its entirety, and upon agreement, enter your digital signature. You'll be asked again to finalize the item, and click Finalize when complete. If you need to check on the status of your exams, please select Results from the Exam section. If you need to schedule an exam, please select Schedule or Manage Exams, and it will prompt you to select an exam to take. You may choose from the selection here and submit a request for this exam to take the computer-based exam. For more information about certification requirements, please visit naceinstitute.org and select the Become Certified option. You may select from a variety of programs or see the entire catalog of available certifications. From here, you can select any of the items that may be of interest or otherwise fit your area of expertise. We do provide descriptions of the expectations and requirements of all certifications as part of a list on each individual certification web page. This information is the same as on the certification portal. If you have additional inquiries, please contact the NACE International Institute for more details. We hope this video has been useful to you, and we appreciate your interest in NACE International certifications. Thank you.